Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. I'm also well by the grace of Allah. Welcome back to my another new video. Today I am going to discuss about a great project and its Goma Shiba Inu, one of the best project in this time, which is managed by the great manager. It's Hampus, one of the best bounty manager in this time. Here, Goma Shiba Inu. Welcome to Goma Shiba Inu, the first truly hyper-deflationary meme coin, inspired by Shiba Inu, S-chip, and others, but with a significantly improved deflationary model. So they are inspired by Shiba Inu, and they developed their improved their model. So it's one of the best project in future. Is no doubt. Here, what is Goma? Goma is Sisem in Japanese. A Goma or Sisem Shiba Inu is the rarest breed and color of Shiba Inu. Here, this is why we have enabled our hyper-deflationary tokenomics to create scarcity and become more Goma rare. Here, what is their objective? They have used specific functions from the Shiba Inu token and other deflationary projects to create a new concept that is focused on faster deflation mechanism. Here, while still incentivizing and giving back to their holders through redistribution. Here, Goma is giving. Charity is important to them, and that forms a big part of why they believe Goma is all about giving back. They do this by sending 1% of taxes transaction to a charity wallet. Here, their community of holders will vote where the Goma will go. Here, owner re-announced or rug proof. Here, liquidity locked. Here, perpetual burn. Here, Goma Shiba token details. Token name Goma Shiba Inu, and here token symbol Goma, and here max supply. It's a huge supply. So 50% initial burn, 30% reserve for pre-sale in June, 15% liquidity pool. Here locked on DXL, 1% team locked for 3 months. Here 4% growth, bounty airdrop giveaway, promotion and influencer. Here fees 8%, 3% redistribution on every trade, buy or sell, 2% burn on every trade, buy or sell, 2% to LP, and 1% charity distribution on every trade. Now I go to their great website and see what is there. The first truly hyper-deflationary meme coin inspired by Shiba Inu and SHIB and others. And here the what is Goma. I already read this in my other page. Here hyper-deflation. Their community of holders matter. So to share wealth and happiness, we have created a hyper-deflation method in the smart contract that enables the burning of Goma on every buy or sell on PancakeSwap or otherwise. Here, Goma is giving. Charity is important to them, and that forms a big part of why they believe Goma is all about giving back. Here, they do this by sending 1% trading transaction to charity wallet, and their community of holders will vote where the Goma is will go. Here, the Goma tail. Shiba Inu is smallest of the Japanese speech breed and related to the Akita. This companion and guard dog was once bred by the Japanese to assist in wild boar hunts in their dense highland forest. The Goma Shiba Inu, the rarest breed and color, was said to bring luck, prosperity, honor, and great status to its owner due to its rarity. So here the prosperity. They burn 50% of the total supply to give their initial community holders and immediately boost in prosperity. This was sent to a burn wallet and shall never be seen again. They also burn 2% of every trade buy or sell, as they believe everyone should have an equal chance to own Goma, but trusting is in them means trusting in you to play an active role in giving each other a chance to prosper, share Goma and prosper. So far today, I will discuss about this project in detail in my next video. So stay with me, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you again. Goodbye.